Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for being fabulous. Today I'll be doing a very quick, very simple style. I know I say that for all of them, but really they are simple. So if you have not seen my other videos, then definitely either click my name to go and see my other videos or watch this and then go see my other videos. But let's just get into this. So my hair is basically starting off from the style that I had on Wednesday. Yes, I uploaded a video on Wednesday, so that style I just basically took it out and then I'm going to style it again, mostly because I need to film a video, otherwise I would not have taken it out. I really love the style and I wore it, and even now as I'm doing it, I was just like, do I have to? Yes. But yeah, so let's just get into this. First I'm going to lay down my hair. I'm not laying it. I'm just basically going to pull it into a bun, into like the middle section of my head. So just to make that easier, remember I told you guys it's easier to lay your hair when it is detangled. So I'm just going to go in with a wide tooth comb and lightly comb my hair. So I'm not really overdoing it, just lightly so I can brush it down easily. And I'm just going to go in with my tangle teaser and I'm going to brush it. Feel free to skip this step if you don't use gel in your hair. I'm just basically using the Mocha de Gorilla gel, and I'm just going to put a little bit around the edges of my hair, and I'm going to tie a scarf to help my hair lay down. I'm just going in with about just that much. And then I'm just going in with my brush and just brushing it down. So as we are waiting for this to just lay down, we're going to work on something else. I have some Mali hair. It's basically like half a pack of Mali hair. These two rolls together. By the way, I always reuse my hair, so like I think the last 4 or 5 styles that I uploaded, I used the same hair to do them. Like if you like doing updos like I do, then keep your hair, just take care of it, because like it works all the time. I hardly buy hair nowadays. I feel like I just bought stock, and since then I just reuse it over and over again. So I have about this much Mali hair. I think it's like half a pack or like 3/4. So what I'm going to do is cut the ends of it. See how it is? Like the ends make it hard to comb them. So I'm basically going to cut them just to make it easier for me to comb through the Mali hair. And I'm repeating that on the other end as well. After that, I'm just going to simply like separate it, like so. After that, I'm just going to simply separate it like so, just to make it sort of like regular hair, like one strand kind of thing. By the way, you can buy Mali hair that is already like this, that kind of looks like this, instead of the ones that actually come like one physical strand apart. So it should look something like this. And I'm just going to repeat that for the other ones as well. Okay, so this is what it looks like after. Depending on what you like, you can use more hair, you can use less hair. I feel like this would be a comfortable amount for me. Now just to tie it, I'm going to use a rubber band, and this is basically what I'm going to do. I'll take it like that, and then I will slide the hair on it. And then, as you can see, I'm just going to put my fingers in there, and then I'll pull this one in here, and there we have it. Okay, so now let's remove the scarf. Okay. I don't like how poofy it is over here, but honestly, we're going to cover it, so to hell with it. Oh, I guess you say to hell with it when you fail. This failure in life. The next step is attaching this little ponytail to our bun. By the way, I feel like this is a better ponytail that matches more with our natural hair. If you wanted to like, if you're looking for a ponytail that matches your natural hair or that goes more with our natural hair, this is a really nice way to do it. Okay, so I'm just going to, okay, so now that we have two sides, right? I'm going to take one and basically pull it to the front. So we'll set this one aside and then we'll use this one to wrap around the bun. To hold the hair in place, I'm going to use styling pins like this ones. I think we all know how to do a bun now, so we don't need a tutorial for that, right? We just play with it and get it how you like it. Okay, and for this one, we're just going to roll this. I don't know if I want it on this side. Oh, okay. Let's do this. So try to hide your bobby pins, but use as many as you need to. I actually saw this style on a YouTuber and it reminded me of a style that I did like a year ago, but mine was just a little bit more complicated, and I saw this and I was like, oh, this is such an easier way to do it. So I was like, okay, I'm going to do this and try it and just see if it's as easy as it looks. Because sometimes you look at something and it looks so easy, but when you do it, it's so hard. Don't say that about my Updos, they're easy to do. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe. As you can see, we're sassy on this channel. But I'm just going to continue doing pinning. It's amazing how this just blends in with our natural hair. Like, it just looks like it's my hair, literally. I didn't know that just playing with Mally hair, just a little bit like that, makes like look like this. Okay guys, so it's this simple, and from now on you can just add any accessories that you want to. I think this is a really cute like style for like every day, like going to work or going out somewhere. I think it's very cute and very easy to achieve.